guys, welcome back. So I'm going to tie a wee salmon fly called the Black Sheep. The hook and the vise is a partridge patriot double in size 8 and black nickel. The thread that I'm going to use is the Uni thread 801 black. You could use whatever thread you have. I'm just going to run on a couple of mil of thread and remove the waist tag of thread. The tag at the back, this is just an oval silver tinsel and small, and then we're just going to work our thread down until we're sort of way in line or just slightly past the points of the hooks. Is usually a good position. Then you're looking 4 to 5 turns. Now I'm going to put 5 on, it's just because it's a bigger hook. Just follow that around with my thread. Now there's no rib on this fly, but what I like to do is still run my thread forward to the position where I'm going to tie in the hackle. Just trim away the waist. Then we'll work our thread back down. To there. The belly is black wool. This is just a 3-ply black wool. Now it's nice and straight here because I've just gently run it through a set of hair straighteners just to take the kinks out of it. It's a 3-ply, so it just straightens everything out for you, just flattens it a wee bit. Just bringing that around. If it moves on you, just bring it back round. Just want to try and keep everything nice and uniform and smooth here. Then we'll come up with the wool. You can see after you've run it through the hair straightener, it just lays on nice and smooth. Just follow this around with your thread a couple of turns now because there's no rib. Just going to fold it back, tie it over the top, and you can come in and trim away the waist. Now what you could do is, let's bring this light down a wee bit. What you could do is, you could, if you want to tie it with a uni floss in black, still don't put any rib on, just to get a bit of better shine. This is a burnishing tool. I would use this on the classic flies, and you rub it, it'll give you a nice shine. If just a thought, don't have to if you don't want to. The wool is fine. Now the front hackle, you're looking at blue cock, or in this case I'm just using a nice blue hen. I'm only looking one turn of this, so just offer that up to the hook, around with a couple of turns, just fold the tip back, just tie up over the top. I'll just lock everything in for you. Then just fold the hackle while it's on the hook. One turn, it's plenty. For me, you want it a wee bit more bushier, you can always stick on another couple of turns. If it was a cock hackle, probably put on 2 or 3. Just tighten it into that, and then just breaking away the stem. Just have a wee check. Just get everything to sit back nice and neat. Then we can tighten into it. Just bring it out. That looks well. Now the first part of the wing can be any black hair you like. Doesn't have to be anything special. This is just Arctic fox. Now you can have the wing as long or short as you like. Like I always say, I just want this the length of the hook because we're going to put an over wing on, if you like. So we'll just catch that in. Come in with our scissors, trim away the waist. Just come down over the cut ends, nice and tight. Now there's no flash in the original, but I've put flash in the other 3 that I've done. This is the mirror flash, but it has a tinge of orange off it. So just got a couple of strands. Offer it up to the hook. Just go around with a pinching loop and a couple of turns. Fold the waist ends up over the top. Then you can come in, give another fly to those, trim it away. That's your fly shotted in. Then the overwing, if you like, any yellow hair that you like. This is just a very sparse pinch of bucktail. But seriously, any yellow hair you like. It doesn't have to be black hair, it could be bucktail as well. Now I just want this slightly longer than our Arctic fox. Just nice and tight. It's always worthwhile having a wee check. It's 100%. Trim that away. Now just to protect make the fly last a wee bit longer, particularly the bucktail. You could put wax on at that point, but we like a super glue. We'll make the wing last a tad longer. Make sure everything stays back for you. You don't want to be touching any of your dressing with the old super glue. Then we're looking 2 jungle cock eyes. So got our 2 eyes. Just get them lined up the best you can in your hand. Just pull back a wee bit of the fluff, offer it up to the hook. Just pinch them on the sides. Just take a couple of turns, see what way you're sitting, have a check. Right, I'm happy with them, so just hold your 2 jungle cock eyes again. Now, this might seem like you might be tempted just to trim off the stems, but don't be shy with the head on this fly either. Get them stems of the jungle cock folded back. This means now that they have to burst off. I can't never pull out. Then we'll go straight in with our whip finishing tool. Now the head on the fly is red, so you have a decision to make. You can use red varnish, like that stuff there. You can use that, or just whatever red varnish you have, or you can just come in with the good old Glow Bright number 3, which I prefer to do. But you'll get away with the head with the red varnish. Just tie that in up over the top, and then just come straight in with your whip finishing tool. Right, just not happy with that, so I'm going to go back. Just not happy. If you're not happy, always go back. Just going to run this through the wax. Then we'll come back in. It's no big deal. Just always go back if you're not happy with the way you've tied something in, or something's just not sitting right for you. Trim it away. Then we'll come back in with our whip finishing tool. We'll throw in a whip finish. Now that wee pat of varnish I showed you, I think I got that in Boots or somewhere like that. It wasn't expensive, but the Glow Bright to me just does a better job. Now just take off any excess wax before you apply your glue or varnish, whatever you like to do. This is super glue, black tape. Just work it right the whole way right round the head of the fly. Nice sometimes when you tend to use super glue, you'll want to run off. You just get your needle and you can come in, just square everything off nice and round. And there you go, guys, that's the black sheep. And that'll go with the M4 there. So hopefully you've got something out of that, guys. As always, many thanks for taking the time to view the video. It's greatly appreciated. Thanks for taking the time. I know people are busy. And all being well, I'll catch you on the next one. So stay safe. See you on the next one. Thanks, guys. Bye.